Let's talk about native way that you can eradicate cough. In fact, I mean, I have cough. I'm easily prone. Anything I eat, I'm easily prone to cough. That's been my challenge even when I was small. Yes, anything. So there are triggers. There are things that triggers it. Like for example, if I eat corn, it triggers it. If I eat popcorn, it triggers it. If I eat coconut, it triggers it. Even groundnut triggers it. But that has been my challenge even when I was small. So little thing, I start coughing and all that. So let's talk about the even when I'm coughing, I don't need to eat rice. That is, I need to eat even when I'm having cough. I'm having cough now, kata. And yes, what trigger is just popcorn. I just eat popcorn. And it's a lot. It's a lot I eat, sha. So that's what triggers it now. And it's pain my chest, everywhere is paining me, my throat. So let's talk about things that really that will subside this. So some recommend what's it called, Tom Tom and bitter cola. Yes, it's very effective. Tom Tom chewing together, Tom Tom and bitter cola is very effective. Then oil and either oil and this thing sugar or honey is also good. I want to drink oil now. It's also good. What again? Ginger. Ginger is also good. No garlic. Ginger is good. What other thing again? Apart from the medical aspect, I'm talking about even bitter leaf stick. You'll be chewing it. It's bitter. It's also good. These are the things that release it. So I want to drink mine now. I want to drink this oil. No, I mean, I know it's not sweet, but what we do? Just need to clear the throat. Ah, thank you, Jesus. Oh yeah. Can't imagine me drinking it. Feel like throwing up. But I have bite it. We get them. I'm healed. I'm delivered. On my chest. My it's paining me. It is well with me.